Hello everyone, welcome to QCar TV. In this video, we're going to look at the close-up of the remote control car and play with it. Let's start the video. Tesla Cybertruck remote control car. Hello everyone, welcome to the second part. What do I think about the Tesla Cybertruck remote control car? I like it though. You switch on the button here. The lights are very bright. Yeah, the steer by wire. Like they always do it, steer by wire. And that's a Cybertruck. That's a nice too. I just said at the back they have lights. The rubber tires. Rubber tires. So rubber tires. This is the rear wheel drive Tesla Cybertruck, not the all-wheel drive. So this is like the base model. But overall, I like the design. It's really nice. Like they really did it. They really copied the real Cybertruck. You know what I'm saying? You can feel it right here. Like they really did a lot of work. You can feel it. Like even this edge here, like the real thing. They make the cut right there. The cut right here. The real Cybertruck with the big glass, just no wind wiper. Then here. They did the cutting for the LED front lamp. Very nice. It's sharp, like it's always been sharp. Tesla Cybertruck always has the sharp edges. And they have this thing here. This black thing in the real Cybertruck also have it. I've sat in a Cybertruck and I know how it feels like. I sat here. You can sit here also in the real Cybertruck. You don't have the flat bed, but hey, it's a toy, right? This is a toy. It looks really like real. It looks like exactly like the Cybertruck, just maybe here not so the right dimension. It's a bit small. So far, it gives the aesthetics. It looks like a Cybertruck, exactly like a Cybertruck, and I'm happy. Yep. Just change one battery and then the speed I think is quite fast, about 5 kilometers an hour or so, but you need to have the remote controls pointing to it, then it will go. So it's not the best remote control signal, but yeah, for a fun toy like this, we always review and look at fun stuff on the channel. So yeah, QCar TV always looks at fun stuff, so yeah, this is one of the fun stuff. And I like this toy. So if you like it, subscribe. This one you need a AA battery in here. This one just the rechargeable battery. Yeah, most likely like that. Alright folks, thank you so much for watching. Oh, and I forgot one last thing. This is the rechargeable, the wire for the charging the battery. So you just plug it here and then just poke it into the USB-A and you're done. You can play this thing for many times. So yeah, not just for kids but for adults too, because you know why? It's very hard to find a Cybertruck remote control. I bought this one because I found it somewhere online and I thought that, oh, this is a really cool toy, and I said, oh, I would love to have this like a model and put it on the shelf or something, but it looks really nice. So thank you everyone for watching. If you like this kind of content, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Tesla Cybertruck remote control car. Unbelievable. Look at this.